يا رب بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم.
يرث أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أقع عن نفسه بعد النبوة. Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam performed the Aqiqah after the announcement of their prophethood. What is Aqiqah? Aqiqah is the feast you give to your close ones when a child is born. This is done once. And when Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam was born, their grandfather Sayyidina Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu anhu, they did this feast with all the people. Question now is, why did the Prophet ﷺ do it again? It was done once. أَقَّعَ نَفْسِهِ بَعْدَ النَّبُوَّةِ. Hadith is mentioned by Imam al-Bayhaqi in his As-Sunan al-Kubra. Hadith is mentioned by Alam al-Bazar in his Musnad. Tabarani mentioned in his Mujam al-Awsat. And Alam al-Tahawi mentioned in Sharhu Mushkil al-Asar. These ulama have mentioned this hadith inside the books. Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam performed the Aqiqah after announcement of prophethood. This was done when they were born. Why do it again? Why? Because when Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam is establishing a sunnah after Islam has come. Somebody may argue and say, Ya Rasulullah, this was before Islam. But this is the lead. This is the daleel. Somebody will say it was done, Ya Rasulullah. But it didn't become sunnah as Islam after the announcement of the Prophet ﷺ's Nabuwah. When Islam was established, Islam came. At that moment in time, Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam established this as a sunnah, telling us that Nabi alayhi salam understood the significance of their own birth by doing Aqiqah, not once, it was done once, not that time they did it themselves again. Clearly this hadith is proving that. Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam performed the Aqiqah not once, twice. Twice the Aqiqah was performed. Not once, twice. First time by the grandfather, second time themselves, establishing a sunnah, a practice, that when a child is born, express happiness. Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam doing this after announcement of prophethood is the daleel. Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam after the advent of Islam were happy at their own birth. That's why they did Aqiqah again.
هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته لكل هول من الأهوال مقتحم.